major breaking news to share with you guys. If you couldn't already tell, we're building a new house. I know, crazy, right? I can't afford to build a new house, but I've always wanted to build a new house. I've always wanted to try it. It's been at the top of my bucket list. You only live once. And what else are you gonna do during a global pandemic?
Rink is actually a cinematographer. So when he said he wanted to try building a house, it was kind of scary, but he's capable of anything. I mean, it hasn't always been easy.
We packed up our old house and sold it. Frugal Franny here was too cheap to pay for movers, so me and Joey moved everything, which I think she really enjoyed that process.
I'm never moving another box, ever again. Not one box. There's some things in life that you don't do it yourself, and moving is one of them. That's all I have to say about that.
I think we'll get movers next time. Anyway, I have the good fortune of having a good family friend who is a supreme home builder, and he's kind of guiding us through this process. You know, he's the builder of record on this. I'm just more like a site supervisor, you could say. And basically, I'm like more like a laborer. But I'm down here every day, grinding it out, learning so much stuff.
Grinding! Rink has been grinding. I miss him every day over here. Building a deck, putting in the patio, putting in the subfloor, doing the concrete in the basement, concrete prep. All the things possible that Rink can do and can't do, he does. It's probably taken way longer than normal, but it hasn't been that bad.
So we were at framing about 4 months ago. And the footage you're looking at now is kind of just a walkthrough of kind of what it looked like when this house was just sticks. And now 4 months later, you can see from the footage here that we're pretty close. There's an end in sight. You know, we'll probably be about, I would say probably about 6 weeks until we're finished the house. So now comes the fast process of doing all the finishing. And of course I was shooting video the whole time. So I have a whole bunch of little DIY projects that I did to save money, some big money, some little money, learned how to waste money. And I'll show you all that. I'll give an actual cost rundown of the actual house from top to bottom, what everything costs. I've got all kinds of DIY projects. Keep your bell notifications on and make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And I'm just hyped. I'm freaking pumped, guys, to share these. Let's go.